Claude Code is now free, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it for free today. So the way that you can do this is you can go to Ollama.com, and then you can pick whichever model you want to use for free with Claude Code. And from there, you can start running this for free. Let me show you an example. So let's say, for example, we want to use GLM 5.1 for free with Ollama and Claude Code. Literally all you do is you make sure you download Ollama. You can do that by copying and pasting this into your terminal. From there, go to models, scroll down to GLM 5.1, copy this command as you can see, and then we're going to open up the terminal, paste that in. That will launch Claude Code with GLM 5.1 plugged in. And as you can see right here, we have access to GLM 5.1 cloud, and we can run this for free, right? So basically you can run free models inside Claude Code. Let me just test this works. It says, yes, I'm working. How can I help you today? And you can see here, it says GLM 5.1 cloud, right? Now, GLM 5.1 cloud is free with Ollama as long as you stick within the token limits. However, what I will say is that GLM 5.1, all these cloud models on Ollama, they are not, as long as you stick within the token limits, they're free, right? But if you don't stick within the token limits, then you want to use a different model, right? And I'll show you how to do that. So what you want to do over here is you go to models and you want to use something that's more local, right? So for example, Gemma 4 is completely free because it's not a cloud model, right? You're not running it via the cloud. Instead, you can run this locally, right? So you download the model, as you can see right here. Let me show you an example. So if we paste this in, Ollama run Gemma 4, so you can see that setting up. And what we need to do here is we just press Control and C to exit that. We paste in Ollama run Gemma 4 here. And now we say, okay, are you working? All right. So that's how we run the model locally with Gemma 4. Now let's run it with Claude Code for free. So what we do here is we just copy and paste this command, Ollama launch Claude model Gemma 4. We paste that in. Yes, we trust it. And you can see here, Gemma 4 is now the model inside Claude Code, right? So if we say, are you working? And then you can see it's working here, right? So we've got this working with Claude Code on Gemma 4. Boom. So that's how you can run Claude Code for free forever. There's one more option that I want to show you here. So what you can do is you can go over to OpenRouter, and then you can select Elephant Alpha. Elephant Alpha is a free API currently on OpenRouter. Now, this will be free whilst it's in testing. Then it will get removed, and there'll be another stealth model that comes out soon as well, right? Like this seems to happen every single month. So for example, previously it was like Pony Alpha or Hunter Alpha. Now it's Elephant Alpha. This is being tested. And so what you can actually do is you can use this for free. As you can see, it's a free API, and you can plug that free API into Claude Code. So if we have a look at Claude Code over here, you can see this number 4 on the most used apps directly with Elephant Alpha. Now, the way that you would use this, there's multiple different options that you can use this with. One of the easiest ways is you can agent, so for example, like Claude Code on OpenRouter, and then you can use something called Spawn, right? And Spawn allows you to run these models, and you just edit your config to add the API key for OpenRouter inside Claude Code, right? You can also do that inside OpenClaw or Codex CLI or whatever you want to use. Right. So for example, we can select Claude Code over here. We can choose how we want to run it, like this, for example. We can copy that, paste that in. Then we can choose our setup like this. From here, we need to authorize this. And then you can see how we can connect this to Claude Code, right? So we can use our OpenRouter API inside Claude Code, run it for free with Elephant Alpha. So that's the other option, right? You just use Spawn, as you can see right here. We've got a full guide inside the AI Profit Boardroom if you're not sure how to set this up, but that's basically it. And now you can see, for example, we can use Claude Code, but we can use it directly with whatever model we want to use, right? And you just make sure you use that OpenRouter model, aka Elephant Alpha, when you set this up. That's basically how you can do it. So those are 3 free ways to run Claude Code free with the APIs that you want, right? So option number 1, you're going to use Ollama, and you can use the cloud model. Cloud models are faster and usually more powerful, right? So GLM 5.1, you couldn't really run that locally, but you can run it with the cloud model on Ollama, and you can just set it up in one click. Option number 2, you go to Ollama, and then you go to Gemma 4. Make sure you've downloaded Gemma 4, and then you can use it inside Claude Code with one click. Option number 3 is you can use Elephant Alpha as a free API inside Claude Code using Spawn, as I've mentioned today. And those are 3 free ways to use Claude Code so you don't have to pay for it, and it's free. If you want to get more training on this, feel free to check out the AI Profit Boardroom, link in the comments description, or just go to the AIProfitBoardroom.com. Inside the community, you can ask questions, get help and support whenever you want to. There's 2,800 members inside there. You can also jump on weekly coaching calls where we go deep on this sort of stuff. You can meet people in your local city from the map who are using Claude Code and other AI agent tools like this. And also inside the classroom, you get access to all of my new trainings. So, for example, if you check out the guide section here, you can actually learn how to use Elephant Alpha with Claude Code with a step-by-step setup guide, right? So I've got a setup guide video tutorial right there, a full guide as you can see, along with a full 6-hour course on OpenClaw, another 2-hour course on Hermes, and I just add new guides regularly inside here, pretty much every single day. You can start using the new and advanced, right? So we keep this updated all the time. So feel free to get that link in the comment description, or just go to the aiprofitborn.com.